Okay, so I made this cute little journal out of the Bee Junk Journal kit. A little bit of scrapbook paper just to make some of the things heavier. And then the cover has packaging in the middle to give it a little zoom. And a little bit of fabric tape. But all these images are from the Junk Journal kit. So this turned out really cute. I love this page. This gal is so bold. There's a little pull-out tag there. Here is a real pretty page with a beautiful tag. And this is one of the journal pages. I have to put a little dealy bow on the side there to make it a little bit more able to hold that tag. And then there's a pull-out tag hidden back here. Hold on, we'll flip the page. And you'll get to see how beautiful that one is. That's a bee. And then a little tag. I love this guy. He's so darn cute. And then I'm going to make this tag. I'm going to use that as a flip out page tag. Some of the images used as borders on the background. I got a really good wrinkle in there. I love a good wrinkle. Cute little guy. This is a pull out tag. You could journal on the back of this. Little note to yourself. And this gal's beautiful. I'm going to write something in here about strong women. And I just thought those two gals had a very same feeling. And she's a flip up tag. Little bee, little border up here. This was already there. And then I used one of the extra covers to cut and put this guy over here. I think this spread is just so vibrant and beautiful. And there's a butterfly, a rainbow bee that comes out of there too. I love the linearness of this page, that it has, you know, the vertical and horizontal. We did use a little piece of old packaging to make a look-through page so you can see his little bee butt. But those are just pages from the journal. This gal is gonna be a flip out page. And then there's a beautiful bee, hold on, behind here. Big, beautiful bee. That's gonna be a real nice surprise when you open that up. The bear was a journal page. He's a feature page. This is a little bit of the cover that we cut to make into a little banner. This was a tag, so the little bees by his honey pot, and then the other half of the tag I turned upside down and put there. This is one of the journal pages for a feature image. So those are the bee friends. This is a whole journal page. Nothing's been done to this. So this is just as it came from the kit. And this is as it came from the kit, except for a little ticket there on the edge. I'm going to be adding a whole bunch of bangles to the edge of this. We just, you know, bound this with a little bit of embroidery floss. And that is the Bee Junk Journal kit.